Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here at Willowbank MX in Queensland. I have been on the search for a mount for my motorbike for God knows how long now, and Insta360 have finally come out with this amazing motorcycle clamp and mounting system. It is an absolute treat. We're going to open up the box. I'm going to show you how to put it on, and then we're going to see the footage that we can get from it. So you get the mount, which is literally just turn around here, turn this knob here to adjust it. And you also have a knob here to adjust the angle that you want to sit it, and a 1/4 inch through scred on the top of it. You also get 2 of the new adhesive mounts. Now these mounts only can be used once. Once you put it on your bike or on your helmet, that's it. You can't take it off and put it somewhere else. They can only be used once. Get the spanner to help tighten everything down, which is absolutely amazing because you want it as tight as you can. You get the action mount with the 1/4 inch thread down the bottom, and you also get 2 action mounts with 1/4 inch male as well, and you get also the thumb screws that go with it. Let's get it on the bike and I'll show you how great this mounting system is. All right, it's so simple to put on. You literally just unwind it all the way, put it around your bars or where you want it to go, and then you just tighten it up just here. Best part about the spanner is that it fits this absolutely perfect, and then you can really tighten it up so you know it's not going to be going anywhere, because that's the one problem with motorbike mounts, is that they move with the vibration. All right, as I said here, you've got this screw here which will give you the angle that you require for your camera, and also you can spin it around to, if you want it, whatever way that you want it to face. So now we're going to be hooking up the new Insta360 AcePro to the bike mount. We're going to be using the quick release system, which is absolutely amazing. And it just has a 1/4 inch thread, and because it has rubber here, it's going to hold your camera in place. So simply just screw it in, just like so. Really tighten it up because you want it as tight as possible, and then you're going to get your camera, and because we've got the quick release system, it's simply just clip in and flick across to lock it in, and then just get it the way that we want it. And once again, with the spanner, you can tighten up this one as well to make sure that it's super tight. So let's get on the bike, take on the track, and see how great it works. Right, so we just gave the X3 a go as well. What can I say? This mount is absolutely great. It's the best motorcycle mount that I have ever used. I also put one of those adhesives just down there and threw the X3 on that as well, and it worked a treat. So here's the footage from the X3. So how did you think the footage from the Insta360 AcePro was and the X3 on those mounts? I can tell you, hands down, the best motorcycle mounts that I have ever used. The mounts are very secure on your bike, and you know they're not going to go anywhere, and you know that they're going to last. So if you would like to pick up these mounts, there'll be a link below. It helps out this channel, and I do thank you for that. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Until next time, I'm Colin from O'Colin at Willowbank MX, out.